Okay, we have our new note, la, and the hand sign is like this, la, so that's a step, so to me that's a skip. So now we have steps and skips, okay? So I'm going to show you where it looks like, where it lives on the staff and on our stair steps on the board just over here. So as you can see, here's our staff. 5 lines, 1, 2, 3, 5. So is on the 4th line. Me is around the 3rd line. And then here's so on our stair steps and me on our stair steps. Now, when in music we draw the la as a letter of the alphabet, we use a cursive L. Musicians like to be fancy like that. If we just used a print lowercase l, it would look like a number 1 or a tally, or it might be kind of confusing. So we like to be fancy and we use a cursive L. When you draw it, I know you probably haven't had practice with that before. That is okay. Just do your very best, okay? So la lives a step above right here. And la. Okay, so when we have our hand staff, so me, a skip goes line to line or space to space. When we have a step, it goes to the opposite. So la lives inside a space. So la inside a space. And here we have our cursive L again, our magnet, and it's going to go right into the top space right there. La, so that's a step. So me, that's a skip. So everyone go thumbs up, open up. Okay. I am going to point to a pattern and you echo back. Bounce high, bounce low. Sing it with so's and la's and me's. So, la, so, me. Do it on your hand staff. Bounce the ball to Shiloh. So, la, la, so, me. Are you doing it with me? Good. Now, thumbs up, open up, keep that going again. We're going to do Bobby Shafto. I'm going to do the words, and you echo back with the so's and me's with your hand staff. Bobby Shafto's gone to sea. So, la, la, so, me. Silver buckles on his knee. So, la, la, so, me. Sailed his ship to Italy. So, la, la, so, me. Lucky Bobby Shafto. So, la, la, so, me. Okay, so when we draw and write la, our new note, under our stick notation, here we have bounce high, bounce low, bounce the ball to Shiloh. So what we do is we write the letters underneath. So if we have so, la, so, me, we draw so, S for the so. La is going to be a cursive lowercase l. If we drew just a lowercase print, it would be, remember, like I said earlier, just a 1 or a tally mark, or I'm really sure what it is. So we're going to draw it with a lowercase l. Don't worry about having to draw it yet. It's probably a tricky skill. So all you need to do is at least be able to know what it looks like, okay? So I start at the bottom, go up, and then down, just like that. So, la, so, me. Okay, now we have so, la, la, so, me. That's what it looks like under stick notation. Now, if I were to pull over my whiteboard staff, okay, I'm going to use this one right here in the middle. I could have used any one, but we're going to review. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, and in between each line is called a space. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spaces, 5 lines. So when we have so lives around line number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 on our hand staff. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. When it lives on, we say on a line, it actually is living around a line. Just like that. See how the line is going right through the middle of it. Okay. So la. La lives, we're gonna put the bounce high bounce low on it. La lives inside a space, and when it lives inside a space, it takes up the whole space. So la, and it lives a step above, so you just step right up into that space. So to me, that's a skip, line to line. So we have so la so mi. Now we need so la la so mi. So la la so mi. And that is where it lives on the staff.